My name is Sandhya Dimbar. Today's video topic is SQL subquery. So we are discuss about what is a subquery in SQL. A subquery is a query within a query. A subqueries provide data to the enclosing query. Subqueries can be written individual value or a list of queries, list of records. Subqueries must be enclosed with the brackets. The subquery is SQL nested inside a larger query. A subquery may occur in a select clause, a form clause, a where clause. The subquery can be nested inside a select, insert, update, or delete statement, or inside another subquery. A subquery is usually added. Within the where clause or another SQL select statement. You can use the comparison operator such as greater than, less than, or equal to. The comparison operator can also be the multiple rows. Plus operator such as in, any, or all. The subquery is also called as the inner query. Subquery is also called as the inner query. The inner query execute before its parent query, so that the result of the inner query can be passed to the outer query. You can use the subquery in select, insert, update, or delete statement to perform the following tasks. First is a compare the expression to the result of the query. Second, determine if an expression is included in the result of the queries. Then check whether the query select any rows. Next point is the important rules of the subqueries. You can place the subquery in a number of SQL clause, such as where, having, from clause. Subquery can be used with select, update, insert, delete statement. Along the expression operator is called the equality operator or comparison operator, such as greater than and equal to, less than, equal to, etc. Within another query. The outer query is called as a main query, and inner query is called as a subquery. The subquery must be enclosed in parentheses. Next is a then The subquery must be enclosed in parentheses. The next subquery are on the right side, and comparison operator. Order by command cannot be used in subquery. Group by command can be used perform same function as the order by command. Then next rule, use a single rows operator with the single row subqueries, and multiple rows operators with multiple rows subqueries. Then next part is a type of subquery. First type is a single row subquery. A single row subquery is used when the outer queries result are based on the single unknown values. All through these queries type is formally called as single rows, and the name of implies that the queries return multiple columns, but only one rows of a result. Next type is a multiple row subqueries. Multiple row subqueries are nested queries that can be written one uh, more than more than one rows of the result to the parent query. Multiple row subqueries is used mostly commonly in where and having clause. Since it's written multiple rows, it must be handled by set, comparison operator, in, all, and any. Next is a use of the multiple rows operator. Greater than all, more than the highest written by the subquery. less than the lowest value returned by the subquery. The next type is a multiple column subquery, and last type is a correlated subquery. That's about the subquery in SQL. Thank you.